Have a pleasant good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Fema Dula from Philippines, 35 years old, married, and I have a one child, 14 years old. I am Christian as a Jehovah's Witnesses. I finished 2 years course in college, Bachelor Science in Information Technology. In my working experience, I had a 2 contract in Hong Kong, but fortunately, my first contract, I work only for 1 year, and my second contract, I almost finished. Unfortunately, my previous employer, she and I had a mutual understanding to break the contract because I need to go back in Philippines to settle my family problem. And I had also experience taking care of a child, cooking, ironing, and cleaning of the house, and any course of domestic works. And please, ma'am, sir, please give me a chance to work with you so that I can give my family a better life. And as a mother, I need to provide the needs of my child. And please, sir, ma'am, choose me as your helper, and I promise I will do my best to reach your expectation as your helper. And please choose me, and I will make sure that I adjust I adjust my schedule to your schedule, and I'm willing to accept what day off what you give it to me. And thank you.